Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to log into Lexia Core 5 Reading today and how the program works just a little bit. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type in your teacher's email address. You typically only have to do this one time, so once you've logged into it, the first time it saves. We are part of the Carroll County School District. Go to login. Your username and password, you will have to get this from your teacher, but it's typically your lunch number and then lunch number again for your password. We're going to go ahead and log in, confirm that that is your name. Once you are in the program, it's going to show you your goal for the week, how many minutes you should have. Our goal is typically 60 minutes. This will show you if you've met your goal or how many minutes you are into your goal. This is how you start the program. So press the arrow. Once you're in level 10, you can skip this introduction. So I'm in level 10, and this provides me several different categories I need to work on. Here, you can tell if a student has worked on this at all because it'll be highlighted, and it highlights it as they master the skill and as they work on it. So this student has 3 things to work on in level 10 still. So we're going to go to sight words. I'm just going to show you how this works.
Spell the word you hear. Press this button when you're done. Watch, as in, watch us race.
Right, so it's asking the student to type in the word watch. So we're going to type in watch, press the blue check or the enter button, either one, and it's going to tell you it's correct. If you look down here at the bottom, it shows the flowers because the student answered that question correctly. And it's going to want you to continue going through this. So this one's people. And if you watch the bottom of the screen down here, you see we've earned another flower. Now we're typing in warm. As they go through this, it's going to continue moving them through the program. Once they type in all of the words and the green bar extends to the very end, they're going to earn a color in their sight words. So this would mean they're one step closer to finishing this program. I'm going to go ahead and log out of this one. That way it doesn't show that the students completed it. However, they will have to go all the way to the end to finish for it to count. So if they didn't stay in the program until they finish, then it's not going to count for them. I'm going to press X, and I'm going to show you, we'll go to multiple syllable words, and we'll look and see what this part of the task is asking us to do.
We can combine 2 syllables. Listen carefully.
Right, so here it's asking the students to pick the 2 parts of the word in order to create the word it's asking. So the word that was given was shampoo. So the first would be sham, and then I'm going to drag it down, and then poo is going to be the ending. Then you press the check mark button, and it is correct. This one is regain. If you look at the bottom again, the green bar is going to go across. As the student answers questions correctly, the green bar is going to continue moving. As you notice, the student does have to have the sound so they can hear what words they're being asked to spell. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I'll go to the last one, the student's needing. You can go back to any of these other ones, but this student has finished those, so he doesn't have to work on that anymore. Multiple syllable advanced word chains are what we're at. All right, so as you saw, it does explain it to you. It's asking us to change bunt to punt. So I'm going to replace the B with the P. So I just hold it over it and it changes the letter. Okay, this time I'm changing it to punk. You can trash the T. This one's not gonna let you trash the T. So drag your K over it. You want to make sure the letter turns orange and it changes it to punk. This one you're adding a letter, so you're dragging the L in between the P and the U. Okay. As you can see, the people are popping up each time you get a word spelled correctly, and the green bar is going across at the bottom. In order for the student to earn the color in their wheel, they have to finish the entire task by getting the green bar to the very end. Going back, this is the second half of level 10. So the student is almost finished. It just has 3 more tasks to complete. When they finish a level, they become a Lexia superstar, and teachers print out a packet and a certificate showing that they have completed a level, and then they'll move on to the next level. When you're finished, you just press the X button. It's going to show you how many minutes. 6 minutes were added because that's how long we spent completing work. And of course, the students has already reached the goal for this week. If y'all have any questions, feel free to reach out to your teacher or to me. Thank you guys.